How to sell multiple items in one listing on eBay. Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I have an exciting topic to cover. How to sell multiple items in one listing on eBay. So without further ado, let's dive in. So here we'll be going to the ebay.com. And then click on this one, and guys, make sure to register your account. And if you're a seller on eBay, you may have multiple similar items but you want to sell together in a single listing. This can help you streamline your selling process and attract buyers who are looking for a bundle or set of items. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of selling multiple items on one listing on eBay. So including creating a compelling title, setting the right price, and optimizing your listing to attract potential buyers. So if you're ready to maximize your selling potential on eBay, let's dive in this tutorial. So here you want to search first for the products that you want to sell. For me, let's choose this watch right here. And in here, if you want to sell this, click on this one. And by the way guys, it may differ on how you would add this to your account or seller account. So once you've done with this, you have to click on sell it yourself. Continue with Google right here. And the eBay will redirect you to this part right here. And make sure you have this one right here to add your business type, seller account, add your bank account, review, and confirm. But for this one, we will not be doing this for tutorial purposes, and I will just give you a quick review on how to make a multiple listing, one product multiple list on your eBay account. So here, once you've done with this, you have to copy the product's description right here. So copy this one, and then you have to paste it on your seller or the want to add product. Click on add products on your eBay account, and then here you will see the colors, all the images that will describe your product. So here, make sure to copy all of this, and once you've done that, you can go back here and click on this one again for the new product, but it's also in the watch category. So click on this image, and then once you've added it, you can go to your eBay account. So here for the quick review of how to create listing with variations. Adding variations to your listing lets you use items specific to group closely related items under a single listing. So here, listing with variations. And the tips: don't add the same item both to a single item listing and listing with variations. Consider listing in only one category. If you choose to list two categories, make sure that both of the allow listing that you have variations. Number 3 is use variations that are appropriate for the item. Using a single listing with variation, try to sell different products in order to avoid fees is a breach of eBay's policy and can also cause poor search and buying experience. Here are the examples of listing with variations. So you can see here, for example, this iPhone 8 64GB, 256GB, and here you can see the condition. You can change the condition right here. You can change the storage type right here, and the manufacturer color. That's for also the variation. The listing for a smartphone has a variation attributes as following: condition, storage, and manufacturer. So here you will see, you can select a variation of conditions right here for excellent, faulty, good, out of stock, average, something like that. And how to create listing with variations, you can add by clicking on this part right here, create listing, and search for the correct category for the items that you are going to list. On the listing description page, enter all the details. Click the create variation right here. If you see this, you have to click on that. So once you click on that, create your variations like this. You can add size type, fabric type. Right here for the fabric type, you can see this is the fabrics that will appear. So if you want to add quantity, if you want to add colors, so here size type, you can see. Once you've done this, click on size type, XS, small, mediums, extra large, 2XL, 3XL, and so on and so forth. And once you've done that, you have to click on continue. So once you've add continue, add pictures up to 12 for each variation. So here, you can see that the fabric type, you can add photos, you can drag and drop. So click on add photos, drag and drop it right here for the photo of their product. And once you've added that, add quantities and price, which can be different for each variation combination of your item at the same time. Your payments methods and shipping costs must be the same. So here you have to click on enter price. So once you've entered price, you can now have up to 250 variations in a single listing for no additional fee. So if you reach 251 and more, it will give you an additional fee. So while editing variations for your listing, you may see the following warnings. This attribute is not valid for variation. Add a valid attribute. That's because eBay has updated the requirements for item specifics. If you see this message, first try to update your listing. Look for an existing variation attributes that more accurately describes how the items are related. If you can't find a relevant existing variation attribute, you need to create a separate listing. So here, this is the product, or this is the quick tutorial on how to add or create your account. So just remember this part right here and make sure to follow all those steps and create a perfect variation or multiple items in one listing on eBay. And that's it, guys. We hope you found this tutorial on how to sell multiple items in one listing on eBay informative and helpful. By grouping items on a single listing, you can provide convenience to buyers and potentially increase your sales. And guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tutorials. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you on the next video.